In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Agoda account quickly and safely. Whether you want to declutter your online accounts or no longer need it, this guide makes it simple. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Agoda's official website. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid any phishing risks. Log into your account, as you can only delete your account from within your profile. Once logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. On the profile page, scroll to the bottom until you see the Delete My Account link. Click it to start the deletion process. A confirmation message will appear reminding you that deleting your account will remove all bookings and saved travel plans. If you're sure, click Delete My Account to confirm. And that's it. Your Agoda account is now permanently deleted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.